In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete draft or awaiting approval bills in Xero. We'll walk through this step by step on screen, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to find the bill you want to remove and void it correctly, so it no longer affects your accounts. To start, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From the dashboard, look towards the main navigation menu. First, click on Sales. This is where Xero groups all of your sales-related documents, including invoices that might still be in draft, awaiting approval, or awaiting payment. Once the Sales menu opens, click on Invoices. This will take you to the full list of your invoices. Here, you'll see different tabs or filters for the various invoice statuses. You can use these to narrow down what you're looking at, for example, draft, awaiting approval, or other relevant options, depending on how your Xero is set up. Next, select the specific invoice or bill that you want to delete. Take a moment here to double check that you've chosen the correct one, especially the contact name, date, amount, and status. Voiding an invoice is effectively a permanent action from an accounting perspective, so it's worth confirming before you move on. Once you've opened the invoice, look for the three dots menu, usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Click on the three dots to open the additional options for this invoice, and this menu gives you more control over what you can do with the document. From the list of options that appears, click on Void. In Xero, voiding is the way you effectively delete an invoice while still keeping a record that it once existed, which is important for audit trails and compliance. This removes the bill from any outstanding balances and ensures it won't be accidentally paid or approved later. After clicking Void, Xero will ask you to confirm this action. This is your final checkpoint. Review the invoice details one last time to make sure it's the correct draft or awaiting approval bill that you want to remove. When you're ready, click Void again to confirm. Once that's done, the invoice will be marked as void and it will no longer impact your accounts. You can always view it in the voided invoices list if you need to reference it in the future, but it won't show as outstanding or awaiting approval anymore. And that's how you delete a draft